I may download ko na for Good Weekend.
Wrong.
We are in the car. It's Saturday. I'm supposed to be going to tutor my cousin. I'm supposed to be there at 9 o'clock. It's now 10, so I don't know if you can see it. Whatever. This is super advanced though. 10:03 there.
No,
Super
it's like advanced 10 minutes.
10 minutes. And Take That is playing! Want you back, want you back, want you back for good. See, I should just take a video of us singing the 90s song all the time. I can't hear it there. Now you can hear it. Maybe. I think you can hear it. Now you can. Now you can. Corner of my mind. I should just like put a camera there. I don't know, it will fall. And then we'll see the sky. See the sky. See, we're stuck in traffic. We left like 5 minutes ago. You wish we left 5 minutes ago. We left 40 minutes. We left 40 minutes ago. A place that should only take about half an hour to get to. From my house.
Half an hour is too long.
Half an hour is too long.
Better in 20 minutes.
See, 20 minutes, and we've been on this stretch of road for like 30 minutes. We've been on the road 40 minutes. We're on the service road.
Be riding on the sun.
Want you back, want you back, want you back for good. There. See, we're on the service road. This is supposed to be the free part. Like, this is the part where there's no toll. Look at the thing that does have toll. Look at that. There's no cars on the other side. There's no traffic. Like, what the hell is wrong with... What is this world coming to? When people want free things. People don't want to pay for things anymore. How awful is that? People don't need to pay anymore. And they ask us why this country is in debt. The hell? True!
I just want you back.
Want you back. Want you back. Want you back. I want you back. I want you back. I don't know how to do the J, sorry guys. Thank you. That's 8, that's J. Want you back. Want you back. I just want to go home. I don't want to go to my cousin anymore. Loading and unloading zone, but oh my god, the jeepneys are always stopping to pick up passengers here. Oh yeah. Oh, sorry, I'm stupid. Oh. Yeah, fuck you, take that. Have you guys seen what our jeepneys look like? You're about to see one here. This one. That's the passenger jeepney. Woo! Sarao. They're called Sarao.
Google it. S-A-R-A-O.
S-A-R-A-O.
Although you know, Google images will give you the big, bright, colorful ones for hire in the province.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Not the crappy, dirty ones here in the city.
Yeah, that's true. Like this one, that's not crappy and dirty, this one. That one there in the distance just doesn't have passengers. When it has passengers, then it's
So
dirty.
it means, they're still recuperating from...
Oh, the song's over. Video's over, the song's over. Bye.
I know, sweet.